Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, student ideas and welcome to the video. In this video I will share creative student ideas that you can try at home to decorate your garden, balcony, or even your living room. Stone art is simple, fun and very beautiful. With just a few stones and some colors, you can make amazing decoration. One easy idea is to paint stone with bright color and simple pattern. You can draw flowers, stars, hearts, or even smiley face pot, and they will make everything look cheerful. Another idea is starry stone. Paint small pictures on each stone. Friends, like a sun, a house, on a tree, an animal. Kids love to play with this and make their own story. It's creative adaptation. At the same time, you can also make in stone. Just use fine brush or marker to draw circle, dot, or pattern on the stone. This design looks peaceful and beautiful. Perfect for decoration table or shelf for the garden. You can use stone as marker, paint the names or herbs, vegetable or flowers on stone and place them near to the plants. It's a lovely way to organize your garden. If you love the home decor, arrange paint stone in a glass bowl or wooden tray. You can even write inspiring words like love, peace, or hope on them.